Who does not like a tomato on the dinner plate? I guess everybody like it. What if you grow your own tomato in your apartment? Well, this might be interesting. I'm growing my own tomato and vegetables in my garden by using some classical techniques. This is a giant pumpkin plant and I'm growing them into a wine glass, and it has valid reason to grow them in a wine glass. I'm gonna share my all gardening experience with you in simple words. These 6 healthy tomato plants are very special. I grow them in my apartment and I use primitive techniques and ways to grow these green tomato plants. I also grow some other plants beside tomatoes. Some of them are spinach and hot chilies. Most of them I did not buy their seeds. Interestingly, I collect the seeds from raw tomato and raw chili. Let's check it out. How did I use the classical technique to grow these green and healthy tomato plants? If you love gardening, this video will help you. My name is Robi and gardening is my hobby. You are welcome in my garden. I request you to subscribe to this channel. Let's start from the beginning. I used this one-time plastic cup as a pot. It's a very cheap and easy solution. I made a few holes in the bottom of this pot. The holes play a role as a drainage system. They will release some excess water and save the plants. Better make some multiple holes. After that, fill this pot by compost. You can use a mixture of 50% garden soil and 50% compost. For this time, I'm using only compost to get healthy plants. There is a lot of compost in the market. Some of them are specific for tomato plants. You can use them, but the cow dung is the best. After filling the pot by compost, I collect the seeds from the raw tomato. You can see the seeds are really healthy and bigger in size. Take them out by spoon or any kind of stick. Better is make some slice and directly place them on the pot. Put some soil on the top to cover the seeds. Don't put so much soil, it may damage the initial baby plants. After finishing, give some water. Keep it away from the direct sunlight but in warm place. The cold environment may prolong the seedling time. Generally, 18 to 25 degrees Celsius is the best temperature to grow tomato plants. I use the same way for chili and spinach plants. After 8 to 12 days, some tomato plants were coming out of soil. Regularly provide them water, but don't give too much water. Too much water may damage the baby plants. They grow 2 to 3 inch tall within 1 month. At this stage, place them under the sunlight because they need sunlight for photoanalysis. When the plants become tall, they need support from stick. Carefully place some supporting stick to hold them vertically straight. Look at their bottom. They need more soil. Better is place some compost on top of the pot. It helps to grow them properly and keep them healthy. You see, I'm preparing the tomato bed and the tomato bed is not finished yet. I dig that deep trench for some reason. I will make another video to explain how to prepare a proper tomato bed in your garden. This was the condition before I prepare my garden. It was almost the jungle. I cleaned it and make a proper garden. Well, this is giant pumpkin plants. I'm growing them into this wine glass to see how their roots grow under the soil. You can see the roots under the soil is clearly visible. I made a time-lapse footage during their entire growth time. You can check it out on this channel. Link is given in the description of this video.